Hi there, and welcome to another quick and easy SalesPlay POS tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to organize your products using categories and subcategories. Let's jump right in and get started. A product category is a primary grouping of items by type, such as drinks, foods, and desserts in a restaurant. Subcategories refine these further, like beverages, juice, canned, and soft under the drinks category. First, head over to the SalesPlay main menu and select Products from the drawer. This is your go-to section for all product management tasks. Next, go to Product Categories and click on the Add button to create a new category. Let's name this category Drinks. Here's a quick tip. Think about the products you've already added. For example, since we already have Coca-Cola as a product, creating a category like Drinks makes perfect sense. Now, to organize even further, let's create a subcategory for drinks. Start by ticking the subcategory box, then click Create Subcategory. Let's name it Soft Drinks. Quick tip, you can use subcategories to group your products even more specifically. For example, try names like beverages, juice, canned, soft. It keeps things neat and easy to find. Once you've added your subcategories, go back to the category screen. It's time to assign products to your subcategory. Choose the subcategory, soft drinks in this case, and click on Assign Products. Now tick the products you want to assign. For this example, let's select Coca-Cola. Once you've made your selections, hit Save. Great job. Now let's head over to the product menu and check the product details to make sure everything worked. You can see that Coca-Cola is now assigned to the main category Drinks and the subcategory Soft Drinks. Perfectly organized. Quick reminder, you can also assign products to categories while creating them. If you're curious about that process, check out our How to Add Products video for a step-by-step guide. You can also add product categories through the back office web portal. If your business has many categories, you can save time by using the bulk upload feature with a CSV Excel format. This is much faster and more efficient compared to creating categories one by one. And that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to create categories and subcategories and assign products with ease. Stay tuned for more tips, and as always, happy selling. See you in the next video.